Okay, welcome back to the Reacher's channel. Here's just a mini video. I just want to test my robot out. Oh yeah, it's doing the job. Yo, wait, the arms are not directing you. Well, this is like, it's just the face doing the job here. The cannons out the side, you know, they can move because of arms, arms. And then it's not doing the job. I'll give it some help. Yep. Oh yeah, it's just running into him. No, I wanna. Maybe stop right here. Oh yeah. Let me. Alright, let's give you. Yep, let's give you some help here. Ah! Oh, he can swim! In a way, I feel like this is wrong. Alright, I'm getting back to silver. Oh my god, that was amazing. Come on, yes, you can get back up. Alright, let me just eat something. I'm about to die from something ferocious happening right now. It's getting, I feel like it's semi-functional in water. Cause it still does the job, but it's like harder to. It doesn't work as. Alright, here you go. Yo, you're a Yiga person.
It's the Yiga. Oh yeah, I gotta get that Yiga armor. Fresh. Oh my god.
Alright, and now? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, lizard. Oh, incoming. Gotcha. Oh no. Alright, let's see if that robot, which was semi-functional in water, it got back up. Oh yeah, it's looking for an enemy. I feel like this is wrong. It's looking for someone to murder. But it's amazing that. Look at my silver horn. Oh, and look. Oh, it's an electric field. This is thank you so much for watching Death Machines. If done.